The beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam said, "If a person does these 5 actions on Jumu'ah, paradise becomes mandatory for him." Number 1. Keep a fast on Jumu'ah. This shows devotion and earns immense reward. Number 2. Perform the Jumu'ah prayer with sincerity and attention. Number 3. Visit a sick person. Even a short visit earns great reward and pleases Allah. Number 4. Attend a nikah ceremony. Supporting a halal union is a blessed act. Number 5. Participate in a janazah prayer. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam guaranteed great reward for this. Let me share a true story. A Mubali of Dawati Islami once made the intention to complete all 5 acts in one day. He fasted, prayed Jumu'ah, visited a patient in a hospital, and attended a nikah in Medina. Only one thing was left, a janazah. He messaged friends asking if any janazah was taking place. Subhanallah, he got a message about a janazah nearby. He rushed and joined it, not knowing it was Allah's divine plan. A young man approached him and said, "My grandmother always watched Madani channel and wished for her janazah to be led by someone from there." When you have a sincere intention, Allah opens the doors of reward in ways you cannot imagine. All 5 actions can be done easily. If someone said you'll get $100,000 for it, wouldn't you find a way? Here the reward is much greater. Jannah becomes Wajib. What could be more valuable? Especially in Ramadan, let's search for these opportunities and grab these rewards. Share this video so others can benefit too, and you earn Sadaqah Jariyah, inshallah.